Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Fistomatic once again. Yeah, man, we're doing it again. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to diagnose a problem with misfiring. So, I have a Hyundai what am I saying? It's a Hyundai i20, right? But you can diagnose with the same procedures as long as your car is using coil packs or anything like that. So let me start up the car for you. Okay, guys, before we get started, okay, this cover stays like this, and then there's 10mm bolts that I just unfasten just to save time, right? So you start with this cover and then you take it out. Then there's also 10mm bolts on the coil packs. All right, so this is the first test that you're gonna do before even removing the plugs. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about a car that's misfiring, right? It goes like boop, 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 instead of a constant run that the car needs to run. Like, let me show you. All right, yeah, it's cold, but I mean, it's not running nicely. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. Can you hear that? All right, it doesn't have power. And also on these cars there's this in America they call it the mile calculator, miles per gallon. So on there it's written 7.6, which is very high. This car is, I think it's 5 point something, 5.8, 5.7, like that. So it's chowing a lot of fuel if it's like that. Let me try and rev it. Maybe you'll hear what I'm talking about. It's not sounding really nice. So the first thing that you want to do is get over here. This is where the coil packs are. Okay, let me rev it this side and then maybe you'll hear. You see the engine, the entire engine is vibrating, you see? Alright, so this is what you want to check, it's vibrating, right? So the first thing that you'd want to do is take out coil packs one by one. You see, there's a difference. Let me repeat again. It's shaking even more, right? Which means this is firing. Number two is shaking even more. This one is okay. Then number three, nothing, right? Then number four, it's shaking, all right? Then, if you see it like this, let's turn off the car. Let's do the next best thing. So we're gonna swap them around and find out what is happening after we swap them around. So I'm gonna swap number 3 and number 4. Right? So I just chose to use the plugs instead. You see, I just unplugged number 3, the problematic one, and then we're gonna put it on number 4, right? We'll swap it with number 4. All right, so what just happened here is I swapped number 3. Number 3 was this one. I took the number 3 and put it on number 4. Let's see if there's a difference. Remember, if I took number 4 out before, there was a difference with the idling. There was a difference, right? So let's swap. Number 3 was the problematic one, remember? So I just swapped him around like this. Let's see. Right? So I'll start the test again. 1, there's a difference. 2, there's a difference. 3, you see now 3, there's a difference. You see? But number 4 now, there's no difference, which means the error has moved from number 3 to number, which means now this coil pack has a problem. Alright, let me quickly swap them around so you can see whether we've made the customer to spend for no reason or we actually on the money. So yeah, let me quickly do that. Okay guys, we're carrying on. This is the ignition coil. This is a new one. I just fitted it over here, right? This is the new one here, right? It's a different make because I don't think you can get we didn't buy from Hyundai, we just bought from Korean parts. All right, and as you can see here, we're just gonna service the entire car. Hit me up on the comments whether you want to see the full footage of this car being serviced, right? Hit me up on the comments, and then I'm gonna post the car actually being serviced, how to service this car. Minor service though, not the chain and stuff. So let's see. Moment of truth. See now, the car is running nicely, right? The car is having nice power. Right? And then maybe yeah. You see the engine, the entire engine is vibrating, you see? Alright, so let's do the test. Number 1, there's a difference. Number 2, there's a difference. Number 3, it's shaking, there's a difference. Final number 4, will it? Of course, right? So the car is fixed, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you're in this time of the video or this stage of the video, it means you like what you saw. So please kindly subscribe there, right? Guys, subscribing doesn't cost a dime, right? YouTube is not gonna ask for any money. It's just subscribing to the channel. It helps us a lot, and then we'll make more content. So hit me up again if you want to see the full service, because I'm gonna service this car. We've got the oil, we've got the oil filter and everything like that. So hit me up on the comments if you'd want me to document, if you want me to post a video of servicing this car. Peace.